So today we're not going to use this fancy little contraption. I'm going back to the old school instant coffee. This is what I drank before I could decide what type of machine to buy, which took months and months. So you're going to use 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 2 teaspoons of water, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then whip it up with your whisk. Whip it up.
Stay in the kitchen cooking up, got your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you.
I want to point out, I tried this already with regular espresso and regular coffee. It most def does not work. You got to use the instant stuff for it to get this foam. That's crazy. I wouldn't think instant coffee would get this foamy like that.
Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only